What's up? We are making some pierogies here, but besides the pierogies, I want to talk about how long does it actually take to get consistent trading stocks. So in my experience, it took me about two years of consistently trading every day in the market to finally get consistently profitable on a weekly and a monthly basis. So turning a profit every week and every month. So how I got there was, well, I studied under all of these other gurus that we know. You know, we have Tim Sykes, we have Warrior Trading, Sean Dekmar, and Ricky Gutierrez. All of those people. I studied what they shared and what they had to say, and I was able to get a solid foundation of the basics of trading. Looks like my pierogies are done here. I was able to get a solid foundation of trading, so pretty much the patterns, how to read level 2, how to read order flow, macroeconomics, news. I learned how to read some sort of company financials, stock float, shares outstanding, institutional holdings, insider holdings, the relevance of all of those statistics and all of that information. Those are pretty much the foundation. That's sort of like the basic knowledge that everybody needs to know, whether you're trading any like large caps, small caps, futures, forex. There's just a baseline of knowledge that you need to understand before you go ahead and become a consistently profitable trader. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. So you need to know what those things are. So after I got that foundation, then I started to dabble into a simulator. I would trade in a simulator for a couple of months, and then eventually transitioning into live trading. I wasn't consistent in the simulator when I did start to go live trading. I actually went to live trading on small size before I was consistently profitable, because I felt that I was missing a different aspect of trading, which was, the emotional management and the mindset management that you only learn when you are trading live, because of the pressure and the feelings of losing money and making money. And so I went into live trading on small share size, literally trading 2 shares, 1 share, 5 shares, 10 shares. And I can even show you on my TraderView stats is like I can go back to 2020 when I started, and you could see that I was trading, literally trying to make 10 cents, 20 cents, just trying to at least just be green, just not be red. That was like my goal every day, just to be green at the end of the week and every month, which, I didn't get to until about a year and a half in. Actually recently, probably like maybe October, September of last year, that I really started to get consistently profitable at every week and every month, but I was still doing that 10 share size. So you need to just get enough repetitions in, and the way you get repetitions in is by having small size, because you do not want to lose your shirt before you are consistently profitable. You don't want to lose so much money while you are learning how to trade. So the way to do it is to stay very, very small size. Don't worry about making money in the beginning, because you won't, and everyone was going to lose money. So that's why you need to do it with small size. And then when you start to get consistent, after maybe a year and a half, as little as 6 months, 2 years, 3 years, however long it takes you, then you can start sizing up, because there's no point in sizing up when you're not consistent, because that's just going to equal more pressure to be green. And if you don't have results or statistics showing you're a profitable trader, you're just going to lose more money than you did before. So that was what I did to become a consistently profitable trader, which was first learning the basic fundamentals, than, going into live trading. I would watch a lot of people do live trading on YouTube, and that would also help a lot, to get a feel for my strategy. But I didn't really turn the corner until I stopped watching those other people and focused on my own trading. So tuning everything out, chat rooms, live trading videos, and just focusing on the chart and trading with no distractions. And then over time, I was able to get a feel for what I am naturally good at, and the areas, my risk profile, the areas where I would like to get in, the areas where I like to get out. And so that took me a lot of time to do. But I kind of went in through stages. So first, learning the basics, watching live trading, then doing trading in a simulator, then trading with real money, small size. And then when you are consistently profitable, which is going to take a while, then you can size up, 20 shares, 30 shares, 50 shares, 100 shares, 150 shares, 200 shares. And you just keep performing your same strategy as long as it's consistently profitable, just doing the same thing, just with different share size. And that's actually the easiest part. The hardest part of the whole thing is to get consistent, because you have to you have to trust yourself. It's a part of a self-trusting process, and it's part of doing it for yourself. And you're not going to be able to copy somebody. It's just all about formulating your own ideas and your own trading strategy, because really you cannot have somebody else's strategy work exactly for you. Everybody needs to have their own personalized way of trading, and that's what makes them successful in the market. And so now here I am, consistently profitable, and consistently sizing up every week and every month, and I'm getting to a level of trading that I feel that I deserve to be after all of that hard work. And it feels so great, and it's so worth it. And I hope that everybody who watches this channel and has their eyes set to become a profitable, consistent, successful trader gets to this point. And I'm just here to tell you that it is possible. People do it, and just the fact that it is possible should give you enough motivation to get through that learning curve. So it's a very long, arduous process. You're going to face a lot of inner demons, a lot of doubts. You're going to be having a lot of bad days in the beginning, and you just have to see it through. You have to think long term and trust that it's all going to come together in time. So that is my message, and that is my video here. I'm going to conclude this here, and enjoy my pierogies that I made. And they look so golden brown, beautiful pierogies. And I'll see you guys next week for another trading recap. All right, peace.